the details in this hotel.
There's some areas you can go to and some you can't, depending on if you're DVC or not.
This is probably one of the most closed off hotels we've been to. Like, you can walk places, but there's some places you just come into and there's just a gate. It's kind of weird.
It has this nice smell of pine.
Smell? Was there a smell?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe outside. Outside looks like you just woke up in a cabin. Very big log cabin. I will say, at this hotel, I definitely expected a better view than we got. I mean, the view's not bad. You get a little creek going on in the pool, but like, you can't really see much further beyond that. Like a little piece of Bay Lake.
I like all the little homages to all the different indigenous Indian tribes.
Yeah, it's like part hotel, part museum. So they have like little cases and you can like look at different artifacts and paintings and a study area. I will say this hotel has like a lot of the like best choice when it comes to like food, all in one hotel.
Definitely.
We're Whispering Canyon, and then
Artist Point.
The quick service is really good.
Roaring Fork.
And then there's the lounge as well. And then you have Geyser outside.
Yes.
They go hard on trying to sell their merch though.
They do.
More than any other resort. Say, hey, here's a bunch of cases with stuff. And the Sad Arcade. Which, skiing and snowboarding, and skiing and driving and
This is way too small to be called an arcade.
we would love this.
Raw thrills. Oh, there's like more bike ones here than any other arcade that we've been to.
It's always more car games than you.
Car games, yeah, but bikes, there's like 4 in here.
I mean, yeah.
So here we have the running trail. The cool thing about this running trail is that it takes you straight to Fort Wilderness. So you could be chilling at Wilderness Lodge or Fort Wilderness and go back and forth. And it's really nice.
If you like walking, this is the hotel for you.
It's definitely a hotel that you could spend hours just walking around or going to Fort Wilderness. There's so much to do and see.
It's very deceptive because you walk up, it doesn't look like much. But then once you walk out back, you're on an adventure.
And then you get to go to this awesome train museum. You wouldn't expect it at a hotel, especially a DVC lounge area, but it's like an homage to Walt.
Is there like a scavenger hunt or something on this train?
Yes. You just have to ask the cast member and you can do a train scavenger hunt.
That's so much seating.
Comfy chairs too.
My people.
It's a bear. Comfy couches.
A gin because why not?
Goldilocks chairs.
The trains.
You have an activity house. Like, what hotel has a house on property just for, like, renting out for activities?
And you can even go fishing.
Fishing, rent a boat.
These are the cabins. These run about $2,200 a night.
I'm sorry, all I heard was arm and a leg.
They're like a little house.
Little home loan? What? There's always little pathways to walk. Not really like, you're not really going anywhere. There's a walkway. And some vistas.
So pretty. You can literally take a picture anywhere and you're just like, oh, this is beautiful.
Everybody likes pools. They've got two solid ones. Seems a bit smaller than most of them.